Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to be a non-member. I'm gonna show you how. God, this background noise. I'll be right. I'm very sorry about that, but today I'll be showing you how to be a non-member member animal. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are a member animal. Because if you turn into a non-member animal as your membership expires, this will not work. So what you're going to, you'll just be a non-member animal. So what you're going to do is to enter in your info like I have. And you're going to click I have a code to enter. And you're going to want to enter any code, doesn't matter what code. The one that I use, if I already used it, is just is koala or penguins. I use it all the time. They're going to hit play. And I'm going to get started. Obviously, it's going to go continue. Obviously, I've already used this. So let's say you don't have that. You're just going to quickly pull up a code. I will leave the link to this in the description. But there are many codes. So let's say I want to use fuzzy tiger. If none of these work, or you're actually spelling them wrong, I don't know, what you can do is just copy and paste one, and then enter it. The one that always works, even if you already used it, is penguins. So I recommend that. Penguins. If you enter it in Play Wild, it works. Now, obviously, I've probably entered every single code there is in life. And I just found a code that has worked. So let me just click on it. I want that. Wait, what? This was not part of the deal. This was okay. I'm not complaining, but okay. And then as you walk around, you will see that you are a non-member member animal. I've already done this, so I already dressed my animal up with non-member animal clothing. Now, you have to do this every single time you log into this account, which will probably be a big pain in the backside. But don't worry, it will work somehow. You find a new code. If you can't log in, just wait until there's a new code. That usually comes out monthly, sometimes even weekly. Or you can find one like a really detailed one. So yeah. Even though you're a number animal, you can't use things like obviously this and other member stuff like talking in jags. Like this one's like, how are you the fox? You can't like type or anything. It sucks. But that's kind of just the basics to it. I'm sure there's probably an easier way to do it, but this one has not been patched so far in December 2018. So this is a little gift, I guess. Merry holidays or Christmas, y'all, I guess. So yeah, stay cool, I guess. Yeah, stay cool.